Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make this super moist carrot cake recipe, one of my favorite year-to-year recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe, so if you guys are interested to see how we make this super moist carrot cake recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. To make this delicious carrot cake recipe, we are going to use 2 cups of flour. We're going to add our baking soda. Make sure you're using baking soda for this recipe, guys. Also, if you guys are interested to make this super moist carrot cake recipe, please check the description box for a list of ingredients used in this recipe. So we are going in with our cinnamon powder, as you guys can see right there. Next, we're going to add a splash of sea salt. Now we're going to mix very well to combine those ingredients. Now we're going to set this bowl to the side. We're going to get a small size bowl. We're going to add 3 eggs to the bowl. Next, we're going to go in with some brown sugar. We're going to mix for 1 full minute, guys. Make sure to mix for 1 full minute. You want to make sure the sugar is fully melted into the butter, into the eggs, excuse me. And that looks absolutely good. So we're going to add some oil to that mixture right there. Then we're going to mix again. Now is the perfect time to add our vanilla extract to this recipe, and then we're going to lightly give that a very nice mix. Now we're going to go in with some fresh crushed pineapple. Make sure you're using fresh crushed pineapple, not pineapple chunks for this recipe, guys. We're just going to use our spoon and just break the pineapple down. Make sure to mix that in very well. Next, we're going to go in with our fresh carrot. So like I said before, if you guys are interested to make this recipe, please check the description box for a list of ingredients used. So after adding the chopped walnuts, you just want to fold that into the butter, just like that. Don't mix in here, you just want to fold that in just like that. And that looks absolutely beautiful. It smells really, really good. Now we are going to add our butter to our baking pan. Make sure to grease your baking pan, guys. That's what it looks like. After adding the butter into our baking pan, we're going to set it to bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. After baking, this is what our carrot cake looks like. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye, guys.